Hey there, fellow investors. You've probably heard whispers about Raiz, that awesome micro-investing app. But here's the burning question: can you actually lose money with Raiz? Let's dive in and find out. Raiz is a fantastic tool for those of us who want to grow our wealth without even thinking about it. It automates investing by rounding up your purchases and investing the spare change. Sounds amazing, right? But like any investment, there's always a degree of risk. The simple answer is yes, you can lose money with Raiz. Here's why. Market fluctuations. Raiz invests your money in the stock market. And as we all know, the stock market goes up and down. Sometimes, it goes down significantly. This means the value of your investments can decrease, and you could potentially lose money. Investment choices. Raiz offers different investment portfolios, each with varying levels of risk. Higher risk portfolios generally have the potential for higher returns, but they also come with a greater chance of losing money. Fees. While Raiz has relatively low fees, they still exist. These fees can eat into your returns over time, impacting your overall profits. Now, before you panic and delete the Raiz app, let's talk about some important things to keep in mind. Long-term perspective. Raiz is designed for long-term investing. Market fluctuations are inevitable in the short term. However, over a longer period, the stock market historically tends to trend upwards. Diversification. Raiz offers diversified portfolios, which means your money is spread across different assets like stocks and bonds. This diversification helps to reduce risk. Dollar cost averaging. By investing small amounts regularly, you are essentially buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. This strategy can help to smooth out market volatility. Risk tolerance. It's crucial to choose an investment portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance. If you're risk averse, opt for a more conservative portfolio with lower risk. So, can you lose money with Raiz? Yes, you can. But the potential for loss exists with any investment. By understanding the risks, choosing the right portfolio, and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can significantly increase your chances of success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.